The International Trade Center is the son or daughter of the United Nations and the World Trade Organization, and we're specialized in taking small and medium-sized enterprises to international markets. We are very honored to be here today participating in this conference. We work mainly in developing countries throughout the world, and LLDCs is one of our targets. We work under the leadership of our Executive Director, Ms. Pamela Cook Hamilton, basically at three levels. At macro level, we support putting in place policies that support SMEs. In Central Asia, for example, we are working with the European Union in a program called Ready for Trade Central Asia, in which we are streamlining custom procedures, digitalizing custom procedures, and among others, we are also helping the countries to get together and understand each other, especially with regards to quality standards for products and other standards that would maybe impede international trade. One of the things that we're trying to do working with customs is changing, I think, custom officials from tax collectors to trade facilitators. So we're doing this through various means, with training, work with the World Customs Organization that we will see later today, and other organizations, including OHRLS. A system that we have put in place, for example, in Kyrgyzstan, allows trucks to put themselves in a system, and they know exactly at what time they will cross the border for inspection. And we have built with them, with the Kyrgyzstan government, a special parking lot. So trucks come, they know at what time they will be going, they can park before, and then they can cross the border at the exact time that they were giving the time of passage. We also working, for example, in Turkmenistan, supporting the WTO accession of the country, working very close with the embassy in Geneva and the government. We're really helping translate the laws, translate the codes, and adapt the legislation from Turkmenistan to what they will need in order to be able to accede to the WTO. We also work at meso level, basically helping business support organizations. For example, in Mongolia in 2023, we organized the World Export Development Forum, in which many countries around the world came to expose and then exchange best practices. We are supporting also quality institutions at meso level. For example, last year we accredited 3 laboratories from Burundi so that they could certify products for exports to the European Union. So we work in the whole quality standards in several countries. We're also working a lot with environmental and social governance regulations, basically assisting the countries to understand the new regulations that have come, for example, in the EU deforestation rule, corporate responsibility due diligence, and others, and allow the countries to adapt and train their SMEs to be able to adapt.